Hey, what's up, y'all? Hey, I was gonna do a quick update on what was going on. A lot of people was asking if I was caught in the storm and everything, and we wasn't caught in it. It was just we lost power for a couple days, and then the internet and the phone has been gone. Apparently, Verizon lost a tower or something, and it knocked the phone completely out. So anyway, I switched to AT&T and got a different phone, and I'm back at everything. It's just I haven't been able to communicate with people for a while. I haven't been able to do videos or anything. So everything's going good. I'm working on a trailer right now and an offset vertical in there, and we'll take a look at that right quick. That's the trailer, that's the basket. It'll go on the back. There's a floor that goes on there, and this is just bolted down. And I'll pick that back up, put the floor underneath it, and then bolt everything down through the floor. I hadn't finished putting the fenders and all that on there yet. But this is a 30 by 18 traditional flow smoker. Has a few add-ons, has a log lighter and stuff like that. But that's what I'm trying to get done now. It should have been done a little while ago, but I'm trying to get it done now. Like I say, we lost power and this and that and stuff just... I was at the library this morning trying to get on the internet just to get this thing hooked up. Got an offset vertical going in here. That's all the chamber under there. I gotta clean it all up and put it together. The door for the firebox over there. Yeah, so a lot of stuff still going on. I got also a 30 by 18 reverse flow with vertical chamber cut out. Tabletop grills going, a lot of stuff going on. So anyway, man, I just wanted to let everybody know what was going on. I got some videos going. As soon as the internet comes back on, we still don't have internet. I'll start getting them uploaded and everything. I'm gonna try to upload this one since it's short on the phone. So anyway, man, if y'all new to the channel, please like and subscribe. Come back for the next one. We'll see you then.